person who has done some good deeds and bad deeds passed away. So he's going up there. They asked at the entrance, do you want to go to hell or do you want to go to heaven? So this person said, let me see both and then make a decision. First he goes to hell. It was very beautiful, a lot of greenery. There's only one problem. All the people in hell, there was a stick tied to their arms, both the arms. So all the food is available on the table in hell, but they are unable to eat because you cannot fold, right? So they were all starving. So then he goes to heaven. Heaven also had the same greenery, same food is available. They also had the stick tied to their arm. But was only one difference. They were feeding each other. They don't have to fold their arms. One person was feeding the other person was feeding this person. They were all happy. If you work as a team, you can enjoy everything.